Hi, Paul Hefty with the Triangle O football system. I want to go over our stretch RPO or outside zone using our 5D version. What this consists of is taking that stretch zone RPO and showing it against 5 different fronts and 5 different common coverages. Let's take a look. To get started, quick overview of our stretch zone against the different fronts. The rule here is to far reach to the play side gap towards the play call. You can see then against the different fronts, the defender in red is the conflict defender or read key, and then the call we use is an Aussie call. For our steps on stretch zone, you can see from sidecar, the back is going to pivot with his foot away from the quarterback. We're going to go slow to fast, and then it's going to be 3 steps to the midline of the quarterback. Step 4 and 5, still going lateral, and then plant and read that H-back. Quarterback is simply going to take 1 shuffle step towards the play, and then pivot into his pass position, reading the will backer. All right, here's the first look against a 4-3 even front cover 4. You can see simple here, the mic is in the middle, so the will is going to be the first backer to the back side. That's where we're going to run our Mickey middle route. The A receiver is simply going to read that will backer. If he fills, he'll do a 2-step slant and replace him. If he sits, then he does a bender read, and since there's 2 high safeties here, he would bend to the middle, get him vertical. The Z on the back side, the number 1, always does a 4-step looky route. So we get a 2 receiver read route. Quarterback again is going to read that will backer with his shuffle step to the left. If he fills, we'll drill. If he sits, the back gets. Again, in this case, the play call would be Lobos to the left, and then we would call out the number of the read key. We're saying it's number 6, so the verbal call would be Lobos 6. The next defensive look is a 4-2 stack where the backers are stacked over the guards. Again, when we see that, the mic is going to be the linebacker towards the play call, and the will would be the backside stacked backer here, as you can see in the red. Again, we're going to go ahead and read the will backers, so the call would still be Lobos 6. The A receiver is going to go ahead and do his Mickey middle read route. If that will fills, he runs his 2-step slant and replaces him. If he sits, then you can see he's going to go to the seam with a 1 high safety running away from that safety's location. Z still running his 4-step looky. Quarterback still has the same read inside out. Next defense is a 34 odd. It's odd because the guards now are uncovered by the defensive lineman, and we'll go with a cover 2 here. Again, when those linebackers are split of the center, the mic is play side to the left here, and the will becomes that backside inside backer. Same read by the A. Again, we've got 2 high, so if that will does not fill, he would bend to the middle. Quarterback's going to have same read inside out on the will backer. Next is a 33 stack cover 1. Again, when we get this 30 odd front where there's 3 backers, we go back to a 4-3 look with the mic being in the middle, and the will then becomes that backside linebacker stacked over the defensive tackle or our offensive tackle. Again, A is going to do his Mickey middle. If the will fills, he'll replace him with a 2-step slant. If not, then he's going to run his bender read, and with 1 high safety, he'll stay vertical up the seam. Quarterback still reads inside out, will backer. All right, the last defense in the 5D version is a TNT, or what we call a bear front, and then a straight man, which we call cover 0. Again, with the inside linebackers splitting the center, the mic is to the left to the play side, and the will is on the back side. Will is our conflict again, defender again, as always. A runs his Mickey middle read route, and Z runs his 4-step looky. You can see now we're consistent for the quarterback with the will being the read key defender, and we give the A receiver an opportunity to get open every time. Thanks.